Hostia, Pirita, mira, Pirita. No. Mira el tornado, Piri, mira el tornado.
Spain, Tuesday, February 11th, 2025.
Mira. Mira. Mira, una caravana. La caravana, mira la caravana.
La manga hacia por aquí.
The storm hit the coast of the province of Huelva, precisely in Isla Cristina and Ayamonte, Huelva, Spain, on Tuesday, February 11, 2025, at around 3:15 p.m. As a result, the area of Villa Antonia and Pulpo Street, which borders the municipality of Isla Cristina, caused significant material damage, affecting power lines, houses and trees, as well as cutting off the main road in the area.
Chapa, mira, chapa, mira, 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 mira.
On Pulpo Street number 32, a house had its roof collapsed. Even an elderly woman was trapped for a while, but was rescued, and is now in good condition, after the local firefighters and police intervened.
Hostia puta, tío.